Would you like to become an AWS developer? Are you new to coding or programming but unsure of the path you want to take in terms of your career? I am aware that there are many possibilities, making the choice difficult at times. Have you thought about becoming an AWS developer? A professional who specializes in the process of designing, developing, and deploying applications using the Amazon Web Services (AWS) platform is known as an Amazon Web Services developer. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that is provided by Amazon.com. AWS is a collection of remote computing services, which are often referred to as web services. These services are provided from 12 different geographic regions located all around the world. AWS developers are accountable for the creation and maintenance of the infrastructure that underpins an application. This includes the provisioning of storage, networking, and safety measures. When developing and operating applications in the cloud, they make use of a wide variety of the tools and services that are made available by AWS. Some examples of these tools and services include Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud (EC2), Amazon Simple Storage Service (S3), and Amazon Relational Database Service (RDS). A solid comprehension of the Amazon Web Services platform and the numerous services offered by AWS is required by AWS developers. They need to have experience with web development and database management, in addition to being fluent in at least one programming language, such as Python, Java, or C#. In addition, they need to have these skills. They need to be familiar with the best practices that are specific to cloud computing, such as security, scalability, and high availability. The capacity to effectively scale an application to meet the requirements of a rising user base is one of the primary benefits of utilizing Amazon Web Services. AWS developers are required to have the ability to design and implement solutions that are capable of managing massive volumes of traffic and data, while simultaneously guaranteeing that the application is always accessible to users and responsive to their needs. DevOps is a practice that combines software development with IT operations in order to achieve faster and more effective application delivery. AWS developers need to be familiar with this idea, as it is one of the practices that they will be using. They frequently collaborate closely with the DevOps teams in order to guarantee that the application is correctly deployed and configured, as well as that it can be easily updated and maintained. In addition to designing and managing applications, Amazon Web Services developers may also be responsible for monitoring the performance and health of the program, resolving problems that arise, and giving suggestions for ways to make the application better. It's possible that they are also involved in the process of cost optimization and making sure the application has a low overall operational cost. To summarize, an AWS developer is a trained professional who plays an important part in the process of designing, creating, and deploying applications on the Amazon Web Services platform. They are required to have an in-depth knowledge of the AWS platform, as well as its many services and best practices, as well as the ability to build and implement solutions that are scalable, secure, and efficient in their use of resources. Let's continue on our coding or programming journey. If Amazon Web Services developer sounds like the perfect fit to you, then dig deeper in research. Their average pay in the US is $110,000. If you feel that this career choice isn't for you, I have some other options in videos I will be releasing in the near future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.